things that are required for this activity are balloons, one needle, iron wire brush. If we take needle and place a balloon on it and give some pressure on it, the balloon will burst out. If we take iron wire brush instead of the pins and give some pressure on it, the balloon will not burst out. This is because the relation between the pressure and area have an inverse proportional relationship. Thank you.
So as you can see, I have pasted a row of tiny torch bulbs and I also attached the wire with the battery. And I also pasted a fork, a glass bangle, a safety pin, a plastic cap, a wood stick, a balloon and a pencil. So if I will touch the wire to this, it will glow because it is conductor. And conductor let electricity to pass through it. Same with the pencil graphite. As you can see, the light is glowing. And with the safety pin also. And if I will touch the glass bangle, it will not glow because it is insulated, and the insulator does not allow electricity to pass through it. Same with the wood stick, plastic cap, and the balloon. Thank you, everyone.
This is called a pH universal indicator sheet. Now you can see I have cleared this sheet and now I am dipping it into the soft liquid.
Concept or the science behind this experiment of disappearing beaker is refractive index. As we know that the refractive index of glass is 1.5, whereas that of mustard oil is 1.46, which is nearly the same, and that's why the smaller beaker will be disappearing.
This is a pencil, and if I put it into the beaker, there is no change. But now there is going to be a magic. As we pour water in the beaker, there is a bending of pencil.
So, this bending of light is caused by the phenomena named reflection of light.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now please relax your whole body. Relax your body. Sir, are you moving your arm?
No, it's moving itself.
It's moving itself, right? This is called constant phenomena.
Representing the model of automatic straight light. This is a structure. This is LDR. This is resistor. Resistors are used to control the current of the circuit, and transistors, it act like a switch, and this is a wire to connect the whole circuit. The bulb, this is a working model of this automatic straight light. Animal cell is having 5 parts. First is cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and last one is vacuole. Now it's the turn of plant cell. Plant cell is also having the same parts, but there are 3 more parts which are added. First is cell wall, chloroplast, and last one is vacuole. Vacuole is same as animal cell, but in a plant cell it's large, and in animal cell it's small. So thank you so much.
This microscope is to tell how we can see the smallest things which are not we can see from naked eye. If you take a look into it, we can see the veins of the stomata, veins of the leaf, and the stomata of the leaves.
Iris. Iris is located at the just back of cornea. Then it comes to the pupil. Pupil is the black structure and it controls how much amount of light enters to our eye.
The periscope works by using mirrors to reflect the light, allowing you to see objects that are not in your direction. Light of sight. In a simple periscope, two mirrors are positioned at 45-degree angles within a tube. Then lights come from object and enters the top of the periscope.
Distillation basically involves heating the impure water to get it distilled. To maintain a colder temperature in this bottle, there are two pipes, one for the inlet of water and one for the outlet. When we provide heat to the distillation flask, the vapors get into the pipe and they condense to water in this condenser, and then they move to the container. And that's how the process of distillation is.
The stamen has two parts, anther and filament. Anther contain male gametes, or we can say pollen grains, and this part is known as the filament. And then some other parts of the flower are sepals and petals, and this part is known as the thalamus. Now continuing with the pollen.
Contamination of air by the addition of harmful substances is called air pollution.